Making decisions can be easy, challenging, irreversible, complicated, confusing. We make decisions on a daily basis and it all begins early. Our first decision begins. Two choices. Do I get up or do I rest? How shall I begin the whole day? Next point, hygiene. I took a shower last night, so yes, I'll just wash my face. Toothbrush, electric or not. Next, should I have breakfast or not? If yes, here or at home. If I choose not to eat, I won't have to bother. But if yes, I have bread and toast, 5 different types of cereals, yogurt or milk with it or nothing, jam, butter, and this gives me 166 possibilities to have breakfast. And now, clothing. Now I have to decide what clothes to wear. I have 20 t-shirts, 12 pullovers, 3 shirts, 8 jackets, 5 shorts, 6 jeans, 2 sport shorts, and 3 sweatpants, 11 pieces of underwear, and 19 pair of socks. So that means I have 9,630,720 possibilities of dressing up. Let's get out now. Hold on. Shoes, 4 of them. I correct. 38,522,880 possibilities. Okay, now let's get moving. I need to get to school. First, I need to get to the railway station. 7 possible ways by foot and 7 possible ways by bus an hour. So 24 ways all in all. Of course, just counting the efficient ones. Next up, the railway station. 10 trains an hour with 10 corresponding buses after the next railway station. 240 ways of getting to school in the most efficient way, and if I don't care which direct connection I'd like to take, then 2,400 possible ways to get to school. That's not the only decision. The train is the next. 6 doors, and after entering, 304 possibilities to sit, and around 600 possible ways to stand. Of course, there are also many possible neighbors. Getting out, the same thing, 6 doors and 2 ways of getting to the bus station. Same at the next station, 4 doors, 50 seats, 110 standing. Getting out, the same. Next up, entering the building. Now I can choose which door I want to take to enter the building. 4 doors and another 4 doors behind, giving me 10 possibilities to enter the building from outside. Next up is getting to the right floor. 1 stairway and 5 elevators, all in all giving me 21 possibilities. If I take the stairs, there are 144 steps. If I take 1, 2 or 3 steps at a time, it will give me 2.5 times 10 to the power of 28 possibilities of ascending. After going to my personal workspace, let's get to the lecture hall. Again, stairs or elevator. After that, 2 entrances to the lecture hall and 256 possible seats. Subject has been chosen. Next up, take notes with one of my 5 pens or work on one of my 4 projects or do something that has absolutely nothing to do with my studies. Lesson 1 is done. Recess. Hungry and thirsty. Where to get it? 3 possibilities if I take the nearest places. Drinks, 36 choices. 7 cashiers. Food, approximately 31 choices left. Combined possibilities, 1116. Next lesson, the same choices like before. Lunch break. 3 places to get food, 16 salads to choose, 13 breads to combine with, and 16 ice creams. This equals 3,328 possibilities, and again 7 cashiers. Where to eat? Around 120 possible seats and benches in front of the alumni bar, or an infinite amount anywhere around there. Next lecture, the same choice. 2 entrances, 256 possible seats, and next break, should I go out or stay inside? Last lesson, the same procedure. Lectures done for today, 1 more recess, 5 pies to choose, 7 cashiers, again around 120 possibilities to sit. Now just like this morning, going back up to my personal working space. 10 ways to enter, 21 ways to go up, 2.5 times 10 to the power of 28 possible steps. On which of the 4 projects should I work on? Leaving campus, going down, again the same thing. Now 13 connections, getting to the railway station, 4 doors, 50 seats, 110 standing. Getting to the platform, depending on what train I take, I have different possibilities of getting there. 7 connections an hour, 14 doors, 854 possibilities to sit, hundreds more standing. Now inside, what shall I do before I decide again which door I want to take to leave the train? Next station. Now I have to choose one of 6 connections to get home. Also here I need to choose 8 doors to enter, 335 seats and 566 possibilities to stand. Walking home, 7 possibilities. All in all I had 3,822 combinations to get home. Dinner. 6 leftover meals that I can warm, 8 drinks available, 48 possibilities to have dinner with drink. Fetching someone. 2 possible cars, 6 possible ways of going there, 6 possible ways going back, 36 possible ways going back and forth. 120 movies, TV series and documentaries to watch. 1 bed to sleep.